Get it in deep, about 52 seconds or so deep into the first period. Behind the net, Richard, quick one-timer, saved by Blomqvist, and a backhand shot goes wide. Riley Walsh keeps it in, towing the line for Boqvist, has a lot of space. Boqvist's shot goes wide and went off of a body and the left point. Boqvist walks it down, plays catch. Jason Megna there, goes up high to Walsh. One-time shot, Merkulov, and that is a save by Blomqvist. Bruins hold bound below the end line. Boqvist looking for a man in the circle. That's Megna. Goes down below for Brazeau, looking cross ice. Megna, a shot out, and that missed the open cage. Bruins hold it in up high. Brazeau come together. Two bodies over 6'5". Walsh sends it right back for Brazeau. Looking out front, connects with Merkulov. Going to get the initial shot away. Rebound chance. They score! Riley Walsh! Thought that Merkulov was being. Boqvist carries it left side below the circle. Goes around Ouellet. Circles it around, far side, Regula quickly in. Blomqvist trying to handle the rebound. Bruins trying to create a little bit of space with it, and he'll send it hard around to the near side for Boqvist. Walsh, one-time Merkulov, save out front by Blomqvist. Looking out front, goes to the circle, Brazeau up high now for Frederic Brunet. Looking for Boqvist, has to take it out wide, quick shot, and they ring iron. That was Merkulov on the far side. Kuntar again behind the play. He's got to touch back up on side. Brazeau carries it in a shot. That one blocker to side. Spent most of last season in Montreal with the big club, and now the Bruins are on a break here with Curtis Hall. Hall a shot and a save by Blomqvist. And now whips a pass to the far side for Boqvist. On a diagonal off the wall, Lysell comes out with it. One-time shot by Megna. Couldn't get enough on. Stick blocked that one in traffic into the corner. Boqvist. Megna up high, Wotherspoon, paddled aside there by Blomqvist and Gruden. He wins it back behind the net, tossed out front, looking for Toporowski. Now into the corner, he'll whip it up top. A shot through traffic, blocked by a skate. Farinacci looking to drag it through traffic, goes off. Bruins have numbers the other way. Taking it in is Richard, and a kick save there from Blomqvist. Up high, Regula. Now for Merkulov, through traffic, blocked by a couple of skates, and it trickles over to Blomqvist. Stops the momentum of the puck in the corner. Back behind the net, Merkulov. Abate whistles one wide. Renouf on the follow-up. A wild one. Regula can't quite hold it in. Off a body, held right back in by the Bruins. Shot, Boqvist, and a save. Rebound chance, another save, and no rebound on the second opportunity. Line, Curtis Hall squirts it out to center. Abate has some space, gets a shot away. Save out front there by Blomqvist. Their physicality and winning that draw is Kuntar. Regula can't get a lane for a shot. Fires one, rebound. Kuntar can't put one home on a backhand. He'll collect it in the corner. For Renouf. Penalty coming up, but Richard carries it in. Richard a shot. Save by Blomqvist. Rebound chance. Finds its way to Richard. Way to Boqvist. Now Renouf try to touch it forward. Lost in a couple of sticks and finds its way to Jesper Boqvist. Boqvist a shot. Saved there by Blomqvist. No rebound. Hand at the right point. Walks it into the middle. Left side. Merkulov. Up high. Callahan. Callahan fakes the shot. Carries it. Fires it. Save there into the glove of Blomqvist. Off the wall. Farinacci walks it along the far wall. Back to even strength. Farinacci. Backhands it across. Topped. And Blomqvist got a piece of that. Rebound over to Lysell on the left side. 2 minutes to play. Walsh into the circle, Merkulov. Looking cross ice, save there by Blomqvist. Try to catch Merkulov through traffic. Carries it in left side. Looking cross ice, save out front. Rebound chance, Brazeau can't put it in. Loose puck. 40 seconds left. Merkulov. Shot, glove save by Blomqvist. Here Walsh gathers it. Stretch pass on the left side, touched for Merkulov. Shuffles through traffic, dangles, fires, guided aside by Blomqvist, and